The sequential request close is a variant of the assumptive close, and it works pretty much like this. You have your prospect. You're at the closing point within the sales process where you've gone over features, you've gone over benefits, and now you're going to close. Rather than that person voice an objection and the two of you reach an impasse, you phrase what you're actually saying as a bunch of questions which you already know the answer to. Okay? So basically, you ask them something like this. You know your business needs this service, yes? And they go, yeah, I guess it does. And you know you can afford it. Yes, I guess I can afford it. And you go, so you know that you need it bad enough that you should take action right now. Well, yeah, I guess I should. And you see where this is going. You lead them into the close by saying a sequence of things which they agree to. Because then if they say, no, but I don't want to buy, you can tell them, you could say, well, I don't understand. You agree with all my points. You understand. You're putting them into that situation where you're boxing them in, okay, by getting them to go through a sequence of yes answers. You know you need this. Yes. You know the time is now. Yes. You know that this is affordable. Yes. You say you like the service because you understand when I say, yeah. So you like the service. You know you need it. The time is now. You can afford it. Yes, I'll take it. And you close. That's how the sequential request really works. It's essentially, it's an assumptive close in the sense that you're pushing them in an assuming way towards the sale, but you're doing it using a sequence of requests, right? Yes, this is, to which they respond, yes, yes, yes. It's a very straightforward closing technique. I mean, it's pretty much like, it's just very easy to do. It's very easy to use. You sit the person down, you explain to them, like if it were a website, for example, you'd sit the person down and you'd say to them something to the effect of, the website you have now, it's not doing what it's supposed to do. It's not generating you leads. It's not whatever it's not doing. And they would go, yeah, I know that. And you go, okay, you know that the website technology from us is good. It's solid, right? Yeah, I know it's solid. I know it's good. I know it has the features I need. Okay. You know that I'm giving you a good price on this, right? They would say yes. And we would walk right to the point where they ultimately say yes to buying the site from me. That's how you use it. It's really about a suggestion tool. It's a way of nudging a person towards the close. Now, there are much more flamboyant closes you can use. There's much more over the top, much more exciting ways to close somebody. But this is a very effective technique, and it's a technique that's used absolutely all the time and in a multitude of different industries. Is it the right technique for you? You know what? They're all right for you, depending upon the circumstance, depending upon who you're working with, and on a given day. We all use a variety of closing techniques. It really, really is important for you to learn as many as possible and to have as many arrows in your quiver so that when you get into the closing arena, you're confident that you have the right tool for the job. If you want to see more videos just like this, subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and give us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.